It's Crafts Thursday! Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful flowers using a very short list of materials. All you need is a white sheet of paper, a leaf that you can find outside, some green paint for your leaves, and any color for your flowers. You can use purple, lavender, or maybe you want some pink flowers, or some red flowers. Hey, you might even want to make yellow flowers. A brush, a bundle of Q-tips, and a headband to hold it together. Don't have a headband? You can use a rubber band. And a plate for your colors. Let's get started! Step 1. Let's grab our white sheet of paper, or any color of paper. Grab your leaf, and let's get started. Paint over your leaf with the dark shade of green. Place your leaf over your sheet of paper and press down. We want to create these imprints on the sheet of paper to give it a realistic look. The wonderful thing about using reliefs is that you can see the leaf very clearly. Paint over your leaf, press it down, voila, you got yourself a really cool leaf. And repeat the process. Use a different shade of green to add some dimension and variation. They come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. Now that we have our leaves in place, we are going to flip our paper over and draw our stems. For this, you will need the darker shade of green paint. Draw your stems. Now it's time for the fun part. Grab your bundle of Q-tips and start dabbing. We are going to make a pink flower. Who doesn't love pink? Dot, 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 dot. What I love about this technique is that it gives you a different look. Rather than just paint little flowers, this is a really quick and creative way to create a different type of look. Now let's create some yellow flowers. Of course, you could use a bundle of 20 Q-tips, but in these difficult times, it's wise to be frugal with whatever you have. So, I opted for only 5 Q-tips per bundle. And that's it! Are we done yet? Nope! Let's flip it around. Voila! We have some beautiful flowers using some very limited materials that we may have around the house. Some pink flowers, some beautiful purple and lavender flowers, some yellow flowers, and lots of beautiful leaves at the very bottom. What do you guys think? Want to create your own masterpiece? Please do so and post it on your wall. Don't forget to tag us at Gilbert-Ian Rueda. And don't forget to use the hashtag CraftsThursday to be showcased on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for joining. See you next week. Bye.